Today I gonna talk about how to communicate with people. This is you and you never mind it. Before some time I was really shy girl. I used to very shy, and people are always people are always poke me, and they always treat me that you should you should live in that way, you should take this decision in that way, you should wear the cloth in that way, you should wear the jewelry in that way. But and I used to think that why this happening with me, and what is the reality. And the fact is that there is no people who lives in reality. All people are lives in lie, lives in illusion, and they never think about reality. Sometimes they think, but when it's time to execute this, then all people gonna blank. They have a no right understanding what should do and what should teach our childrens. And I face this, I really face this, and I know what is the exact mindset, and how, so that I really want to develop my communication skills. This is what I really want to develop. I really want to learn English alone, and this is the what I can't leave it. I never leave it. I never think about it. I should leave this. No, I get mad when I leave this. No, I have to do some work. I have to do some big, and I have to learn some new skills. That's why I'm here, and I never drop this updating myself. This is me, and why not I can change my story, why not I can write my story. So that I want to develop my communication skill, how to communicate with people, how to convince people. I think I know that some way, but when it's time to build a confident, I have some confidence, not overconfident. I have some confidence to develop my skill, to develop my toward my journey to learning all about this. But still I have some question, how to engage in that situation, how to take action. I'm just learning phase, and I really want to develop my skill until I face the public facing is most important, and you should face this, and you have ability to face the public's mindset, public's thought, public's communication, all about this. And you should try, at least try, and you should live your life with effort. And you should, and after a 10 year, what are you able to, what will be able to be happen, what will be able to be think, where will you go. I think I really want to become a good speaker, become a good learner, become a good English literature, all about this. I really want to learn how to do digital marketing, but I need some special goals. I know that I need some special goal. Sometimes I'm very confused, but now I'm clear about it. I'm just learn English. I'm just broke this English. And what is the English? It's a very easy language. When you try to speak out, then it's become automatically in your mind and generate with words and tense, and you can speak very fluent. That's a need. And you actually want to develop, then it's automatically being in your mind, and it's developed your mind all about this. And most important things, being happy. Sometimes you face some struggles, but keep in your mind, no, when you face some struggle, you should take a break and overthink your thinking. That's a need. Okay, this is my today's talking. I hope you like it. I hope you don't like it. I know. It's okay, no problem. And it's me, I can talk every day.